Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to remove all the extra spaces in your Word document in one step. So most of the time Word will tell you when you have an extra space, but you probably notice that sometimes it doesn't tell you that until maybe later. It'll pop up when you scroll back up to a certain paragraph or a certain line, and then all of a sudden it decides to correct it for you. But if you think you have a lot of extra spaces in your document and you want to get rid of them all at once, you could use this method. Okay, so we're going to go to the editing group here, go to replace. So what you want to use in the find what box is this particular text here. And I'll put this in the description so you could copy and paste it so you don't have to worry about trying to figure out what we have here with the brackets and the to and the comma and so on. And then you want to replace it with a /1. And then you want to go to more like that and use wildcards. So it's 3 steps. Put this in the find what. Put this in the replace with. Make sure use wildcards is selected there or checked. And then you just have to click on replace all. And then it did 8 replacements. And now you can see they're gone from our document. So it's pretty simple. So like I said, if you think you have a lot of spaces, it's a nice quick way to get rid of them. All right, so once again, I'll put that text in the document and then you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.